My assistant. We've shoveled the area, more or less. Let's probably go a little slower here. There's the car. There's the spot. There's the garage. We have about 2.5 hours to pull the control arms out of that, to try and get some bushings replaced and get them put back in. And it's now snowing again. Yay, spring weather. Go Maritimes. Alright, there we go. One control arm out. Replace that bushing. This one's actually good and new. And the ball joint was okay. Now the other side. Woohoo! There we go. The other side out. Now I'll just go put in a couple of bushings. Life might be good. Alright. We got the new bushing pushed in. That one's a new one. I just put in the other day. I'm gonna put that back in there. Maybe even put a tire on. I'll do the same thing on the other side. What the heck? And there we go. That piece of cardboard. They're all done. Oh, the jack stand. Ready to roll. Let's do this.